How to add calculations on Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your Monday.com board and locate the column where you need calculations. Click the plus icon to add a new column. 2. Choose the formula column type. This will allow you to create custom calculations using existing data. 3. Click inside the formula column and type your formula using available functions like sum, average, or multiply. 4. Use column names inside brackets. For example, price times, quantity will calculate total cost. 5. Test the formula by entering values in the related columns. The results should update automatically. 6. If you need advanced calculations, use if statements or nested formulas to add conditions. 7. Click Done and adjust column settings as needed to display the results in the desired format.